Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel How To, and in this video I'm going to discuss about Cisco Webex Meetings, how to download, how to install, and how to set up meetings and other features. Let's begin. So first of all we'll download the Cisco Webex. Let's go to the download page and from here click on download for Windows. And for saving the time, I have already downloaded this, so simply run the setup. So after installing this, you need to sign up for a Webex account and click on start for free. Enter your email address and click sign up. And after that, enter your name, continue, and an account activation link will be sent to your email ID, and where you will create password for your account, and then you are good to go. And after that, you have to sign in to your account. So for that, let's go to the Cisco Webex page and sign in. So sign in for Webex meetings. Now just enter your ID and password, and after signing in, you will be on your home page, and your home page will look like this. So on this you can see in the menu, it is meetings. In the meeting menu you can schedule your meetings. Then here it is recordings. So here you will get all your recordings, and here are some preferences. So here is basically time zone, and here your personal room setting. So these are settings. Notification and automatic lock setting. After starting of a 10 minutes after meeting, it will lock your room and people can enter until you will admit them. And here are the audio video settings. So default connection type is Webex audio, and here are scheduling preferences. So email invitation is send a copy of email invitation to me, and then share recording is automatically share the recording when it's available after the meeting. And here are recording preferences. So Here are views by which you want to record. So the content only, an active speaker view, and these two views are there. So in the active speaker view, that the speaker who is currently speaking, that will get recorded with the shared content, and content only view, only the content shared in the meeting will be recorded. So these were the preferences, and here are the insights regarding the meetings you performed with your account. So let's get back to the home, and now we will start a meeting. So just simply, there are two options to start a meeting. Start right now by clicking start a meeting, or you can schedule it for some other time, for later time. And here are ways to join that we'll discuss later. So start a meeting. As you will click start a meeting, you will be prompted by Cisco Webex desktop software. So click on start a meeting. So now the meeting started and you are the host. So now what are the options you're seeing over here? This is the mic. You can mute or unmute. This is your camera. You can turn on and off. This option is for sharing content that we'll discuss later. This option is for record a meeting. So by clicking on this, you can provide a path where you want to record the meeting. So by default the file type is mp4, and this option is for participants. This option is for chat, and here are some other options like lock meeting, invite and remind, copy meeting link, audio connection, and here are some settings related to speaker, microphone and camera. And this option is for connect to a device, and by device they mean a WebEx device, that is Cisco proprietary device. And the speaker, microphone and camera settings are like this. So just click on it, and here you will get the settings for speaker. For the microphone, you can choose which microphone you want to use, for system default, or if you are connected to some wireless or wired microphone. And here are the options for the camera. So this microphone and speaker option is useful when you are connected to some external device as speaker or microphone. So you have to choose whether you want to use the system or the external. So these were the settings, and now we have to connect participants to this meeting. So let's start with that part. So here I am going to illustrate with the mobile device, and that is an Android device. So here it is. So simply just go on to the Play Store, type Cisco Webex Meetings, and here I have downloaded this for convenience. So just open this on your phone, and Next, you have to click on join meeting. So let's start. After you'll click on join meeting, you'll get this page. Here you can enter your name, your email address, that will get displayed on meeting. So let's just change this to something reasonable. So this is test 1, and now here you have to enter either the URL of the meeting or the meeting number. So for us here now, we can get that number from here. Where this information icon is, that you have to click, and you can see the meeting number here, that is 580753857. Now we'll enter this number to this 580753857, and we'll just click on join. And here it will prompt you to join, and click join. And now you can see that this mobile device is connected to this meeting, and from here let's test this chat feature. So in the chat option, it will ask you to broadcast the chat or select a particular user. So I'm selecting this test 1 user, and typing this message hello, and enter. Now you can see on the mobile screen there was a message. So this was the chat feature, and now we'll see this share content. Now share content, we have the options to share a file, share a screen, so and share an app also. So I'm just sharing this Firefox now in this meeting. So click on share, and now this particular screen, Cisco Webex homepage, is being shared in the meeting. So how to check that? Let's go to our mobile device, and let's keep this aside, and you can see over here on the meeting screen, this Firefox web page is being shared on this meeting, and here are the options regarding sharing. So this, from this red button, you can stop sharing. Here you can pause sharing, and this one is the recorder option. This shows the participants of the meeting, and one important feature is this assign feature. So now you can just simply allow who can annotate to the shared content, or which participant can be the presenter in a meeting. So this is useful basically when uh, in the business meeting, various participants want to present their own presentations. So one by one you can make the presenter. So this is it. And what exactly annotation is, that you can simply mark something by using pen or other tools, you can highlight something. Suppose I am just highlighting this. This will get highlighted like this on the screen. So here also you can see this. On the shared screen, this particular part is also highlighted. So this was the annotation, and just simply stop sharing, and we are again back to the normal screen. And so basically this was how to create a meeting in Cisco Webex and connect it to the other device. So we just discussed how to use the desktop app and the Android app to connect to a Cisco Webex meeting. And when you want to end this meeting, just simply click on this. This will provide you two options: end meeting and leave meeting. If you leave meeting, being you are the host, but if you leave the meeting, but meeting will be running, so you have to end the meeting. Simply click on end meeting, and the meeting will be ended. And on your mobile screen also, you saw the message that meeting has been ended. So guys, this was the basic setup of Cisco Webex meetings and how we use that. One more thing regarding this Cisco Webex free account is what basic features Cisco provides to the free or basic or limited account, whatever you want to say this. Let's just see those features. So guys, here are the Cisco Webex free plan features. So for the Webex meetings, the basic features are like you can schedule meeting as long as you need, invite up to 100 people into a meeting, start instant meetings, record meetings, share content, and scheduling meetings with this unique URLs and with your personal room, join from your computer or mobile device. And here are the audio video settings using webcams or computers audio. Record a meeting content and save the recording to your computer. And for the sharing content, it is share your desktop, select an app to share a file, and create and share a whiteboard. So, and for support options, chat and call is not available for the free plan. Only you can open a case. So these were the basic features provided with the free or limited plan for the Cisco Webex. So this was it guys. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the notifications for my other upcoming videos, and I will keep making some just more videos like this only. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.